What is a good stretching routine for beginners? Are you a teenager looking to make the most of your downtime while also improving your flexibility? Stretching is a fantastic way to do just that. Let's talk about a good stretching routine that is simple and effective for beginners. This routine takes about 8 to 15 minutes and targets major muscle groups, helping you feel more relaxed and focused. First, start with a warm-up. Spend 2 to 3 minutes doing light movements like walking, jogging in place, or gentle arm swings. This helps increase blood flow and prepares your muscles for stretching. Next, let's focus on the lower body. The hip flexor lunge is a great stretch. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge position, keeping your back leg straight. Lower your hips to feel a stretch in the front of your hip. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Then, try the hamstring stretch. From a kneeling position, extend one leg straight forward with your heel on the ground. Lean forward gently to stretch the back of your thigh. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Another great stretch is the knees to chest stretch. Lie on your back and pull one knee at a time toward your chest. This helps stretch your lower back and glutes. Hold each side for 20 to 30 seconds. Now let's move to upper body stretches. The seated spinal twist is excellent. Sit with one leg crossed over the other and twist your torso gently towards the bent knee. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Next is the chest stretch. Extend one arm out to the side and gently press your chest forward or against a wall. This stretches your chest muscles. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Don't forget the neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head toward one shoulder, holding for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch sides to relieving neck tension. For a full body stretch, try the cobra stretch. Lie face down, place your hands under your shoulders, and slowly lift your chest off the ground while keeping your hips on the floor. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. While holding each stretch, remember to breathe deeply and steadily. This helps your muscles relax and makes the stretch more effective. Avoid bouncing or forcing any stretch to prevent injury. For teens, stretching can be a productive way to use downtime. It helps reduce stress and improves focus for school or activities. Aim to stretch at least 3 to 4 times a week. Listen to your body and stretch to the point of mild tension, not pain. Stretching after physical activity can also aid recovery and flexibility. Keep your routine simple and enjoyable to stay motivated. This stretching routine is perfect for beginners and can easily fit into your busy schedule. So, why not give it a try? You might find that it helps you feel better both physically and mentally.